So you can order stuff like Google branded Bluetooth headset, ergonomic keyboard, Hello everyone. So my name is Gaurav and welcome back to my channel where we talk about technology, software engineering and career. So a lot of people have been asking me that what kind of perks do Googlers get here in India, and that is what we are going to talk about today. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So folks, I have divided the perks into like 4 categories. First we have the perks related to productivity, then health, then food, which is a big one, and then at last we'll have extras. So let's come to productivity first. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this internal website at Google called Stuff, where you can order your stuff from. And by stuff, I mean all the productivity related gadgets that you can think of. Just to give you an idea, so you can order stuff like Google branded Bluetooth headset, ergonomic keyboard, and professional web camera, and a lot of other things. And this is apart from the $1,000 allowance that you get in this work from home situation. So if you're joining Google in this work from home situation, you will get this $1,000 allowance, where you can purchase all the productivity gadgets, furniture, whatever you need for you to be productive at your place. If you ask me what did I purchase, you can go and watch the first 2 videos of the channel. You will get to know. तो productivity में ही कुछ और चीज़ें भी हैं, जैसे educational reimbursements. I don't have the exact figures, as in if you are purchasing some kind of book, there will be some fraction of amount which will be reimbursed by Google. And then you have internet reimbursement, which is actually pretty generous. It's above 3,000 rupees per month, as in you can reimburse your home internet or your home broadband. So one more thing regarding the Stuff website that we have. For most of the things, you don't need manager approval, but for stuff that is relatively like costlier, like monitors, CPUs, workstations, for that you need manager approval, which is not very hard to get. Most of the managers do approve if you do have a business use case. So then let's come to health. So there's one very crucial part of health, which is food, which we will cover in the food section. Apart from that, you have state-of-the-art gym facility in almost every Google office, and specifically here in Bangalore, you have this amazing gym with almost all the machines and equipment that you can think of. And on top of it, you get professional instructors as well. So in the Bangalore office, we used to have 2 instructors who will actually guide you individually. They'll make your meal plans. They'll basically cover everything. So you're good in that department. Apart from that, we have a lot of dance and aerobic sessions which are organized on a weekly or on a daily basis. And then last but not the least, we have health insurance. Well, okay, this is pretty generic when we see the other tech companies as well. So nothing very out of the box here. You get a pretty generous health insurance that covers you, your parents, your spouse, and sometimes your in-laws as well, if you opt for that particular package. And also it also provides a one-time health checkup for you every year. And we have these massage rooms in every Google office, and you do get some massage credits, and you can spend your massage credits over there. I haven't spent my massage credits as of now, because for the last year we have been working from home, and in the previous year for some reason I didn't. मुझे actually कभी time ही नहीं मिला, I guess. Finally, let's come to food. Oh dear, I miss it so much. You might be knowing that we are covered as far as breakfast, lunch and dinner is concerned. So what exactly do we get in breakfast? Whatever you can think of. We have cut fruits, fruit juices. We have a juicer as well. So in case you want to customize your own juice, you can create the juice yourself. Regular tea, coffee, lots of various kinds of milks. Regarding specific dishes, we daily used to get around like 3-4 South Indian dishes, 3-4 North Indian dishes, and stuff like that. So in lunch again, same things. On top of it, a lot of extras. We again have cut fruits, a lot of salads, like 3-4 North Indian dishes, 3-4 South Indian dishes, 2 or 3 starters. Oh my God, this is giving me stress. Anyhow. And various different kinds of dessert options as well. In one of the offices in Bangalore, we used to have around 6-7 dessert options daily, while in the other office there were like 2 primary desserts and some 3-4 regular desserts. The dinner, so the dinner was slightly on the lighter side, like 2 South Indian dishes, 2 North Indian dishes, rice, and your regular breads and all. Apart from all of this, we have this office barista in every Google cafe where we get free coffee. So think of this coffee, which is the one on the level of Starbucks, or maybe even better than Starbucks. So all kinds of coffees, mocha, cappuccino, iced or hot. And in the India office, you have this option of customized tea as well. So at the counter, there will be 2 persons and you can guide them to have your custom tea. And interestingly, so all the ingredients you can customize, like cardamom, ginger, sugar. And on top of it, you have jaggery as well. So good wali chai pine ka maza kuch aur hi hai. And by the way, all of this is free for visitors as well. I remember in my interview, I thought I have to pay for it. Thankfully, that was not the case. We have unlimited ice creams, and in case you don't know, we have this micro kitchens concept as well. On every Google floor, we have one micro kitchen. In the micro kitchen, we have stuff like bread, butter, various kind of sauces. We have a refrigerator there with various kinds of milkshakes, energy drinks. We do have Bonvita, Horlicks, and Boost as well, just in case. By the way, I loved having Bonvita milk over there. One thing which is specific to offices here in Bangalore, that in every micro kitchen you used to have this filter coffee decoction as well. So in case you are someone who loves filter coffee, you will enjoy your time over there. Finally, let's come to the extras. So in extras, you have things like free pickup and drop cab facilities, and you get a lot of generous travel reimbursements while you are on a business trip. This is not very specific to Google, as in all the other big tech companies do that. Here at Google, one thing that I like is you have this internal tool here at Google where you have to create a trip before you're actually going out on a business trip. And when you create a trip over there, you get certain upper limits on the amount that you can spend on hotels and food and flights. Not food, by the way, sorry, only hotels and flights, which is pretty generous amount. And let's say if the actual booking amount was less than the limit that you got, you get those credits, and when you are creating a trip next time, you can actually use those credits, which means by 3rd or 4th trip, you can actually opt for a business class air ticket. It kind of works this way. By the way, the limits are so generous that sometimes even the regular limit can accommodate your business class air ticket. So all the other extras like team offsites, team dinners, team parties, nothing very specific to Google. It is there in all the other big tech companies or even startups. But the budgets here are pretty generous. And last but not the least, the holiday gifts. So even before I joined, every Googler used to get a Pixel or a Nexus device every Diwali. But now that the number of employees have increased, they're not giving out free Pixel devices. I don't remember what I got in the last Diwali. Apart from all of this, like if I see my 2.5 years of stay here at Google, I don't have a count on how many apparels that I've got from Google. I guess 4 or 5 jackets, 7 or 8 t-shirts, 2-3 hats, ton of other gifts. Like most of the stuff that you see in my video is provided by Google, which is strange, but yeah, that is how things are. But interestingly, all the video editing and everything I do on my personal PC because of some weird reasons. काफी कुछ cover कर लिया है हमने. So anyhow, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel, And don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and maybe your parents as well, because I know a lot of people just wonder what kind of perks do engineers here at Google get. So this is the answer to that. And also one message to my subscribers, I am planning to go live on Instagram maybe next week from the date this video goes live. If you do not follow me on Instagram, just do it right away. And if you have any kind of questions or suggestions for the future videos or maybe this video, do let me know in the comment section and we will take it up from there. That is it. Thank you. Bye-bye.